Leute! Hi guys! Welcome back to lesson 17 of the free German course for beginners. Ich heiße Steffi, my name is Steffi, and in this video you will learn all about indefinite articles. What? Yes, indefinite articles. In German they are called unbestimmte Artikel. In lesson 15 and 16 you already learned about the definite articles, the bestimmte Artikel. So let's start with a little recap. German nouns have different genders. They can be masculine, like in der Computer, feminine, like die Arbeit, or neuter, like das Haus. How to determine the correct article you can learn in my article course. Link in the description below. There are 3 indefinite articles and they are ein, like ein Computer, eine, like eine Arbeit, or ein again, like ein Haus. So let's look at it at a table to make it more clear. As you can see, the article comes always first. It always stands before the noun. So we have the gender in the first column, masculine, feminine, neuter, and we have the articles, der, die, das. For a masculine noun, the indefinite article is ein. For the feminine one, it is eine, and for the neuter, it is ein again. So how do you differentiate them? Only through the context. Okay, but when do we use the indefinite and definite articles? And what does it actually mean? You use definite articles if something is unique. For example, ja, stell die Vase dorthin. Die Vase? Okay. As you can see, there's no other vases around. So we mean one unique piece here. We're talking about a specific thing, this one vase. You can also use the definite article if the noun was already mentioned before in the conversation. So your conversation partner and you both know what you are talking about. Zum Beispiel.
Ja, guten Tag. Ich habe für heute einen Termin vereinbart, aber ich kann die Uhrzeit nicht finden. Wann ist der Termin?
And you use a definite article if there is a prior knowledge to it. For example, for an exam. Speaker and listener both know what exam you are talking about. It could be a German exam, for example. And when do you use indefinite articles? You use them if you mention something for the first time. For example, zum Beispiel, ich habe ein neues Handy. I have a new mobile phone. You also use an indefinite article if we talk about a belonging to a class. Der Hund ist ein Haustier und der Papagei ist ein Vogel. So far, so good. Now it's getting interesting. I have prepared an exercise for you. Let's start. Los geht's. Ich bin Frau. What article do we need here? Die, der, das, ein, eine. Kennst du die Antwort? Do you know the answer? What word is missing? Okay, let's look at it step by step. The noun Frau is feminine. So the definite article is die. The indefinite article is eine. So grammatically, both articles are correct here. It depends on what we want to say, because it changes the meaning. Ich bin eine Frau means I am a woman. Ich bin die Frau means I am the woman. So it means you probably talked about a specific woman before, and yes, that's me. So as you can see, they mean different things, and it's important to choose the right one. Let's do another one. Nächster. Du bist Mensch. You are human. Most likely, at least. What word is missing? Der, die, das, or ein, ein. We probably need an indefinite article here, because we didn't talk about humans before, so it's the first time I mention it. So we need to know the gender of the noun. And a human, Mensch in German, is masculine, der Mensch. So the correct answer is du bist ein Mensch. Grammatically correct is also du bist der Mensch, but then it means you are a specific human being, and we must have talked about it before. Very well, guys! Excellent! Gut gemacht! This was already today's lesson. In the next lesson, you will learn how to use my, her, his, and so on in German. So hang in there. You are doing so great. I'm really proud of you. I hope you already do progress. Don't worry if something is going on too fast, because you can always re-watch the videos. Because soon we will talk more and more in Deutsch. German! Also, bis zum nächsten Mal. Until next time, macht's gut, Leute. Tschüss. Lerne Deutsch, Deutsch, Deutsch. Lerne Deutsch, Deutsch, Deutsch. Lerne Deutsch!